So here we have the KR01. It's the face powder brush. As you can see, it's dense and it's a rounded top. Not too big and definitely not too small. And it's a perfect size to put in your handbag. This will give a very nice, flawless powder finish on your face. So here we have the KF02, and this is the flat top Kabuki brush. As you can see, it's dense and it's soft, so it's nice on the skin, and at the same time this will give you a flawless finish, so you can just swirl and buff all over your face. So we have the KFA03, and as you can see, again, it's absolutely lovely because it's dense and it's just a slight angle to this brush, and you can just literally buff and blend, and you can even contour with this brush. So this is like 3-in-1. So here we have KT04. This is an eye and a face concealer. This is actually perfect for giving just a foundation all over your face, and as you can see, it's just slightly tapered shape, and it's not too big again and it's not too small, and it will give you a nice smooth flawless finish. So this one is KA05, and this is a fluffy angled shape, and it's nicely dense and it's soft, and then perfect for applying your blusher or even bronzing. So we have the KL6 here, and as you can see, it's amazing for concealing or stippling foundation on your face. So here we have KA7. This is a face concealer and perfect for blending. As you can see, it's a smaller version of a Kabuki angled brush. It's dense, so it's amazing for contouring with liquid foundation or just blending your forehead or any places you find hard to reach. At the same time, when you're blending, it will actually give a really flawless finish. This is a KB9 brush, and it's, as you can see, it's a tiny Kabuki style, but it's perfect for your eyeshadow blending or any harsh edges that you want to blend on the face. So here we have the KP10. This is the eye pencil. It's, as you can see, it's slightly rounded on the top and it's a little bit stiffer than normal. I would apply this as a shadow that you just want to line on top of your eyes or under your lash line.